Okay, so in this video I'm just going to have a quick look at the area of a parallelogram. So we have a parallelogram here, and as you know, a parallelogram has parallel opposite sides. So this side would be parallel to this side here. This side here would be parallel to this side, and opposite sides are equal in length as well. Okay, so how do we work out the area of this parallelogram here? Well, we have along here the length, if you like, or the base. We call it a length. That would be from here to here. And we have a height as well. Now the height of our parallelogram is going to be, let's say, from here to here. We'll just drop a perpendicular straight down here. So this is a right angle here, right angle here. So this would be the height of our parallelogram. Now in order to work out the area of our parallelogram, if we imagine that we take this, if we take this triangle here, and so this, if we take this triangle here, just simply move it over to here. It should fit in nicely in here. So what we're going to do is just take our height, and we're going to drop that down here. Same length as our height, if you like. So this is still going to be the length h. This side here is just going to move over to here. Remember, it's parallel and it's the same length. Okay, let me just put this line here. We're going to put this line here, here. So what we should end up with is the same triangle, but just moved over to the right-hand side of our parallelogram. So we should end up with this here. So you can see here what we've ended up with. We've ended up with effectively a rectangle. We haven't changed our area. We've just taken this, triangle here, and we've moved it over to here. And you can see it fits in nicely. So what we've got here is our length, which is just shifted over this way. So this is going to be our length now from here to here. We haven't changed the length. It's going to be a length. And we have our height here. So what we've got then is, as we've seen in a previous video, the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is just simply length times width. Now in our case then, our length is our length, so the area of our parallelogram in our case then is just going to be the length times the height. So in any parallelogram, if you draw any parallelogram, so let's quickly draw one here. So let's say this is our parallelogram. We have a length along here, and the height then is just going to be the perpendicular height, the distance from the top line down to here. So this would be the height here. So you would multiply this distance here, you'd multiply this distance here by the height of the parallelogram.